How to clean your oven with no scrubbing with this 3-ingredient homemade cleaning recipe. In this post we are going to show you the best and the most efficient homemade cleaning recipe to clean your oven without any scrubbing. We will show you this procedure in 2 simple steps. First, we are going to show you how to clean the oven and then the oven window. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: water, spray bottle, baking soda, a rag, vinegar, a small bowl. Directions: how to clean the oven. First, you need to remove the oven racks. Then, mix a couple spoons of baking soda with some water in a small bowl. The whole point of this mixture is to make a paste out of it, which would be spreadable on all the surfaces which require cleaning. Now, when the paste is done, spread it out on the inside of the oven. The baking soda will turn into brown. Leave the paste on it through the night. This mixture will need at least 10 hours to finish its work. The next day you need to take a wet rag and wipe out as much of the baking soda as possible. Then, add some vinegar in a spray bottle and apply on the surfaces where you still see residues of baking soda. Now, wipe it with a rag. You can put all the rags back in the oven now. Close the oven and turn the oven on low temperature for 10 minutes until it's dry. That's it, folks. Your oven should be shiny and clean now. Directions: how to clean the window. Make a thick paste with mixing baking soda and some water. Then, apply the paste on the oven window. Leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. Use a rag to wipe the window. We really hope you enjoyed this post and we hope you can use these simple tricks to clean your oven, without scrubbing. Make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thanks.